Hey you guys, it's Vijaya, and in today's video we're going to be making tandoori potatoes. Now I love potatoes and I love the flavor of tandoori masala, and we're bringing this together in an amazing dish. And I'm going to be preparing it using one of my favorite kitchen appliances, the Philips Turbostar Digital Airfryer. Now I love this guy because I can use little to no oil and get my potatoes super crispy on the outside and tender in the middle, which is amazing. But before we get started, don't forget to hit me up on Instagram. You guys know how much I love that, and that's where I post things about my day-to-day life, the recipes that I'm making, and of course if you're looking for this recipe, just click that info box down below and everything you need is there. Let's make some air-fried tandoori potatoes, people! We're going to start off by creating the marinade for the potatoes, which is super duper flavorful, and we're starting off with some fresh garlic. Now some freshly grated ginger. I love the fresh flavor of ginger, and it's going to pair so well with the potatoes. Next up, I'm adding in some plain whole yogurt. And now for the tiniest touch of canola oil, and this is going to help things crisp up. This is chickpea flour, you guys. It's also known as Besan, and this is going to bind everything together and give the potatoes a nice crunchy coating. And of course, we've got to add some spices to the mix, so I'm going in with my favorite blend. We have some Fenugreek here, also known as dried Methi. We have my signature blend of garam masala. You can find that recipe on my channel. For heat, some cayenne chili, some amchur powder, which is dried green mango. It's going to add a little bit of tartness, as well as some ground nutmeg, and of course, some salt to season things up. And we're going to whisk everything together to create a nice paste. My tandoori paste is prepped, it smells amazing, and now let's talk potatoes. So I got a whole bunch of mini potatoes, boiled them up and peeled them, and this is what they look like right here. And they're gonna go into this marinade and we're gonna give them a nice toss. Honestly, these smell so good already, but we're gonna take it to the next level and pop it into the fridge for about 30 minutes to overnight. This will help all those flavors sink in so they're nice and tasty all the way through the center of the potatoes, and then they'll be ready for the air fryer. So my potatoes have marinated and they're ready to hit this guy, the air fryer. I'm just gonna pull out the basket. And I love this because it's nice and non-stick, and we're just gonna arrange the potatoes inside. Okay, I'm gonna pop my basket in. Nice, it's locked and loaded. And now I'm gonna turn my air fryer on and heat it to 400 degrees, and we're gonna go for 20 minutes. Now, through this cooking process, we're gonna let it hang for about 10 minutes, and at the 10-minute mark, I'm gonna pull out the basket, give it a nice shake, that'll rotate the potatoes, and back in they go to roast for the last 10 minutes. So shall we turn this guy on? Let's do it. Oh, do you hear that? Do you hear that? That's the Turbostar technology, people. All of that hot air that's circulating around the chamber is gonna cook my potatoes nice and evenly, and that goes for anything else that you cook in the air fryer as well. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check in on these guys. Oh, it's crazy. It is crazy how crunchy and crispy and golden these guys are. I can't wait, I can't wait. We're gonna have to arrange these in a little serving platter. Oh my God, I would eat them straight out of the air fryer to tell you the truth. Wow, and I can just feel the texture. They're so crunchy on the outside. Beautiful, beautiful coating on them, and those spices have really come to life. Oh, smells amazing. All right, last potato goes in, and there's a little bit of debris that's collected at the bottom of the basket, but because this is a quick clean basket and there's a spatter-proof lid, cleaning is super easy. I just dump out the debris and then wipe it down with a damp cloth, and it's good to go for the next time. Let's get to eating, okay? Let's get to eating. I don't know which one to choose, but I think I'm gonna go for this tiny guy because he has crunchy, crispy bits all over. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go in for the bite. Mmm. 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 Man, the air fryer really delivered. It is so crunchy and crispy on the outside, but also really tender and fluffy in the middle. And I love that little bit of crisp that we got by adding the chickpea flour in with the spices. Man, I love, love, love this dish. It's such a great vegetarian alternative. If you can't eat tandoori chicken, you can eat tandoori potatoes, people. So easy to make and spectacular, done in the air fryer. And if you guys are looking for more information on the Philips Turbostar Digital Airfryer, don't forget to hit up philips.ca. And if you love this video, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, request, leave it in the comments box down below. I read every single one of them. I respond to every single one of them. So get on it. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.